So starting today, Shopee's COD Unbox is now live. So let me walk you through yung basically what it means. Hindi siya applicable sa lahat. So upon checkout, magkaiba ang COD sa COD unboxing. So basically, inaalaw si buyer upon delivery of the courier ng product, i-open sa harap mo. And then, of course, kailangan videohan ka ng courier. Pwede mong i-check if the items are correct in quantity and kung yun ba talaga yung item na in-order mo. Partial refund will not be allowed. Like, let's say you ordered like 10 pirasong damit tapos may kulang na dalawa. Hindi pwede yun. You'll pay for 8 pieces lang. So, you have to return everything. Pero I think hindi mo siya pwedeng i-test kung gumagana ba siya. Like, let's say you ordered speakers, hindi mo na siya pwedeng i-test. More of checking lang. Kahit hindi mo siya pwedeng i-check if defective siya or not, you can still go through with the normal return and refund process naman even if you availed of the COD unboxing. I think this new practice that Shopee introduced, mas makakatulong siya on the buyer side kasi ang dami nang scams nowadays or like pagpalit ng items sa parcels, like sa mga warehousing kapag dumadaan sa multiple places, paminsan talaga nasaswap yung item. So it's a very good way para ma-minimize yung mga ganong scams. Mas napoprotektahan ang buyers. Prior to this implementation, I think ginagawan na rin ng mga ibang couriers, pinapayagan. Pero at least ngayon, official na siya.